going to learn about a poem which is in the form of a rap, and it is a recycling rap. Recycling means to use the waste products so that they can be used again in a good manner. Many of us dump the waste without even realizing that the material can be recycled. So here I am. My name is Palak. Today I'm going to make all of you aware through a short rap. Listen to me, children. Hear what I say. We have got to start recycling. It is the only way. The girl is saying to the children to hear to her, to listen to her. She is asking everyone to start recycling because that is the only way. To save this planet for future generations, the name of the game is reclamation. The girl says that if you want to save this planet for future generations, if you want the resources that are here now to be saved for the future generations, you can only save through recycling. The name of the game is reclamation. Now, reclamation means the process in which you obtain waste products from, you obtained a new material from a waste product so that it can be used. It is called reclamation. I repeat, reclamation is the process where you obtain a new material from an already used material. You have got to start recycling. You know it makes sense. You have got to restart recycling. Stop sitting on the fence. She says that deep inside somewhere, you know that it is very important to recycle. You have to recycle and stop just sitting idle on the fence. No more pussyfooting, no more claptrap. She says, do not worry about anybody's opinion. Pussyfooting is when you are, worried about somebody's opinion. That if I do something, what will they think? You don't have to worry about anybody's opinion. And no claptrap. No stupid talk. Do not just keep speaking stupid talk. Be a gentleman or a gentlewoman. Be a sensible person and start recycling. Get yourself doing the recycling rap. She said you should repeat this recycling rap and do whatever is in this rap. Come on and start recycling. Start today. Now the person says that you have to start here. You have to start recycling. By saving old newspapers, not throwing them away. Don't throw the newspapers. They can be recycled. So start recycling them. Don't just take them and dump them on the tip. Tie them in a bundle and put them in the skip. She says don't just make bundles of newspaper and throw it into the bin, in the garbage, in the dustbin. No. Make a separate portion for the newspapers and save it there. Get collecting, protecting the futures is up to you. Save all your old glass bottles and your jam jars too. Take them to the bottle bank, then at the factory, the glass can be recycled, saving energy. Now she says that keep collecting everything because it is you who can protect the future. Maybe in future the resources can become. So save it. Save your glass bottles and your jam jars. Don't leave anything. Even the old glass bottles can be recycled. So keep it safe. Take them to the bottle bank, then at the factory, the glass can be recycled, saving energy. She says when you recollect all the bottles, take them to the bottle bank or the factory and then recycle them using the factory because they can be used to save a lot of energy. Don't chunk away that empty drink can. Remember what I said. Start recycling, man. Wash it, squash it, squeeze it, flat and thin. Take it to the Save A can and post in it. Now she says, do not throw the empty drink into the dustbin. She said, you remember what I said? Start recycling. Keep on recycling. Wash it, squash it, squeeze it, flat and thin. She said, whatever you want to do, you can do. You can wash it, you can squeeze it, but do not throw it and dump it. Recycle it. And then make a Save A can. Save A can is write on a can, make a title on it, Save A can. Make such kind of a can and put all the recycled materials into that. Now she again repeats what she said in a rap again with a friend of him, and now she is enjoying and dancing. Listen to me, children. Hear what I say. We have got to start recycling. It is the only way. To save this planet for future generations, the name of the game is reclamation. You have got to start recycling. You know it makes sense. You have got to start realizing. You have got to start recycling. Stop sitting on the fence. No more pussyfooting, no more claptrap. Get yourself doing the recycling rap. Now I hope this poem is clear to you. This rap was in short to make you realize that save things before it is too late. Save the earth. Start recycling products before we are short of resources. Thank you. And if you have liked this video, go like, subscribe, hit the bell icon and take care.